How to fix iPhone speaker is not working. If your iPhone speaker is not working, then this video is a short guide to solve this issue. First of all, you have to clean the speaker grillers. Dirt, dust, or lint can block the speaker grillers to cut off sounds. The very next step you need to do is restart your iPhone. To restart, simply press and hold the side button and either side of volume, and then slide the slider to power off. Shut down your device for at least 20 to 30 seconds and then restart your device. The other step you need to follow to solve this speaker not working issue is launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down a little bit. There you will see accessibility option. Tap on it. Then, once you are under accessibility, scroll down. There you'll see audio and visuals. From there, you have to make sure that mono audio is toggled off and your audio is balanced to 0.00. Once you check all of these settings, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.